Every day, between the normal work hours, you continue doing the same task, show the same devotions towards your work, but deep inside, you dream. Dream of what excites you the most, and you try to run and chase them. While checking the drone that has been lying somewhere, you pick up your phone to check the time. But here the wallpaper reminds you that your dream is to travel, to capture the moments using the camera you bought, and again the drone that has not spread its wing from a long time. Reliving the moment itself brings the inner joy. I know that I'm a hard worker, but at the same time, I know that my hard work is not limited to just office work. An amazing thing happens when you get honest with yourself and start doing what you love, what makes you happy. You stop wishing for the weekends. You stop merely looking forward to special events. You begin to live in each moment and you start feeling like a human being. You just ride the wave that is life with the feeling of contentment and joy. A veil is lifted and a whole new perspective is born. Your journey starts by questioning on your honesty and who your friends are or what book you should read. Have you taken any risk in life? Are you kind to others? And gradually you start thinking, how can I be a better version of myself? Deep inside, all the answers are there. It's just the window to be explored or the door to be opened. Once you know what your dream is and you start chasing them, you start believing yourself. You work on your attitude, your thoughts, and your perspective, and most importantly, you start appreciating the things you have and understand that chasing dream is what makes you happy. Always remember that dreams are made to be chased, but at the same time, they can also be enjoyed while sleeping. Choose your side and make sure that in either way it brings you joy and happiness. I hope that this video has motivated you to start chasing your dream. And as we are on this topic, it is also my dream to make this video reach to more people so that it can give them the initial boost to pick up their dreams from where they had left. So please share this video with your friends and family. Subscribing to the channel will be truly magical, and the most important part is to leave your feedback in the comment section. You can also follow me on Instagram. In a lighter note, happiness can also be found in ice cream. So, yeah, that's my weakness. I think everyone should find their weaknesses too. Hello everyone, it's me Himangshu and welcome to Ramble and Curry. I like doing the same thing again and again and try to be the best at my work. Try new things in life, explore new places, and also try to hit the gym occasionally. But I dream. And I dream to capture all the moments in such a way that I enjoy watching them. I know this path is not easy at all, but I'm here not to give up. So please show your support by subscribing to the channel and let me know how I can improve in the comment section. For now, all I can say is that dream and dream big and learn how to chase. I know it's not going to be easy, but remember, it's not impossible.